about to talk about enterprise technology selection and how to choose the right ERP solution for your organization. Whether your company is replacing an existing ERP solution or implementing an ERP for the first time, it's critically important to make the right choice. Choosing a software that lacks important components, doesn't grow with your business, or isn't the right fit can cost companies hundreds of thousands of dollars and thousands of hours of lost productivity. It's why hundreds of companies reach out to Ultra Consultants and utilize our dozens of full-time consultants to bring expertise, processes, and experience to the ERP selections. As you begin the selection process, there are two questions that need answers. What are your problems and challenges? And what capabilities do you need and want? These simple questions are vital. Because when you know where you are now, your current state, and where you want to be, your future state, you have a strong foundation for the selection process and for your business transformation journey. So how does the team at Ultra Consultants help you make the right choice? First, our research gives you an upfront understanding of qualified software vendors and the capabilities of their solutions, and lets you know which vendors are experienced in your industry and which solutions are suited for your business. Next, we help you qualify and disqualify potential vendors. How? By asking pointed questions and by requiring software companies to show you how their solution will address your specific problems, overcome your exact challenges, and enable your future state. We don't let vendors get away with a simple show and tell presentation and some one-size-fits-all hand-waving. These highly structured, in-depth demonstrations follow our agenda and focus on your unique set of requirements. The result is valuable insight, detailed information, and a comparative analysis you can use to inform your decision. Lastly, before you make your final choice, we help you understand critical considerations, factors like price, TCO, ROI, time to value, and implementation strategy that go beyond functionality and ensure years of value. Then, we facilitate your decision process. And when you've chosen the solution that's best for your organization, we help you negotiate the best price possible. It's a big effort, but at the end of the process, your team and your organization as a whole will be confident in your selection and ready to move forward with implementation. Our job is to leverage our decades of experience and expertise with hundreds of companies like yours to get the information you need to evaluate functional fit, vendor fit, the solution roadmap, technology alignment, the implementation plan, and the total cost of ownership. So you can select a solution that will deliver the most benefits and the greatest performance improvement for your organization. At Ultra Consultants, we effectively partner with companies to find the best ERP software solutions. For more information on our software selection services, visit us at ultraconsultants.com.